Are you looking for a compact and powerful tool to simplify your development process? Have you been searching for a device that combines sensors, connectivity, and processing at the same tiny solution? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then the SensorTile.box PRO is the device for you. This compact and easy-to-use device combines intelligent sensors, programmable features, and wireless connectivity. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting in the world of programming, the SensorTile.box PRO has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the world of the SensorTile.box PRO.
Hi, my name is Asmaa, and I'm leading technology segment Smart Sensing and Control at STEVAL-MKBOXPRO, and I'm joined with Asmaa, technical marketing STMicroelectronics, and today we will discuss about one of the latest technologies, SensorTile.box PRO, how it can empower you to be kind of superhero in your domain.
Yeah, that's right. With the SensorTile.box PRO, you can sense and track all sorts of data. It's like having superpowers at your fingertips.
I'm really looking forward. Can you tell me a bit more about what SensorTile.box PRO is?
It's a multi-sensor development kit. It was designed to help all users of any skill level quickly prototype and develop their applications. So it adapts to all levels. Everybody can use it for learning, prototyping, or as an integrated model in the end commercial product.
It's really great. So I can see it's both simple to use as well as very powerful.
So I brought the board with me. This is what you get when you order your board. Let's open it and see what's inside. So first thing is you have this blister with a quick starting guide. And we have an ST-Link adapter in case you want to program your board with a nuclear board. We have a programming cable. And now let's move to the serious parts. So here is our board. So as you can see, compared to my hands, it looks really compact and small.
This size, I believe it can be used in many fast prototypings, and I see some user interfaces. What is this?
Yes, great question. So first user interface is this CuVar electrodes. And what do we mean by CuVar? So it's one of our latest technologies. It stands for electrostatic charges variation. And it can detect presence or motion for really small, very short distances. And in the case of the SensorTile.box PRO, it's used for user interface for touch and swipe detection. We have some programmable buttons. We have a power switch to switch on and off the board. We have some programmable LEDs too. And also we have this DEL24, which means you can connect external sensors if needed.
That's a really complete solution. I can really imagine it can offer a lot of possibilities. You have mentioned the sensors. Can you please explain a bit more on the sensor side?
Yes, well, the SensorTile.box PRO offers a wide range of sensors, and among them we find our latest generation of sensor, what we call Generation 3. And first one is our 3-axis accelerometer, the LIS2DU12, which is a very low power consumption accelerometer. It can be used for acceleration detection and shock, vibration, etc. We have a microphone. We have a temperature sensor, we have a pressure sensor, the LPS22DF for pressure monitoring and altitude measurements. We have a magnetometer, and the last one is our 6-axis inertial measurement unit, which embeds a gyroscope and accelerometer. And this 6-axis IMU embeds intelligent features for processing as the finite state machine and machine learning core.
So all these great features, how can everyday applications benefit out of it, like for example human activity recognition?
So first, machine learning core is a powerful tool of artificial intelligence which allows two machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed before. If we take the example of human activity recognition, data logs are associated to classes, and each class corresponds to a kind of activity, like running, walking, or driving, whatever activity it is. On the other hand, finite state machine works on a more deterministic way, where data acquired by the sensors is compared with thresholds that are defined before. This mechanism can be used to detect some quick events like wake up, shocks, or free fall. So overall, having embedded processing features inside the sensor can help to improve system efficiency, and this by offloading some of the processing inside the sensor instead of the microcontroller, allowing it to focus on more complex tasks, which will help to improve system performances and also reduce power consumption.
Oh, that's really great. So all these features, additional features, can really bring additional value to the sensor itself. Can we eventually give it a try?
Yes, so I brought with me this wrist version of the board. You can put it on your wrist.
So I can do some activities outside?
Yes, you can go and do some activities. I can track you from here.
Okay, that's great. So I will just do some.
Yeah, go ahead.
And did you see what I was doing?
I was tracking all your movements from here. Many activities in such a short time.
I'm so happy you recorded it all, because I'm really not sure if I will be able to do it again. You have mentioned the connectivity. Can you please tell me a bit more on the connectivity features?
Well, the SensorTile.box PRO offers a wide range of connectivity options. So first we have a Bluetooth Low Energy module, we have an NFC connectivity, we have a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. For processing, we have our microcontroller, the STM32U5, which will bring the ultra-low power and security features that developers need. We have a wireless charging receiver that goes up to 5 watts, and we have a battery that has a life of 10 hours of continuous use. And finally, you can use a microSD card for data storage.
You're saying 10 hours of continuous use plus microSD card? This is a lot of data. This is amazing. I really like the product. It's small, you can use it out of box. Is it already available?
Yes, well, the board is already available. It costs around 100 euros, and you can get in touch with ABB or ST to get yours.
We discussed so many features, options, possibilities, but what can you add as a conclusion?
Well, as a conclusion, I can say that developers need tools that can keep up with their evolving needs, and the SensorTile.box PRO was developed with this in mind, offering a high degree of flexibility and customization. So whatever application you have, the SensorTile.box PRO has the sensors, the connectivity, and the processing to help you succeed your project.
Great, Asmaa. It was really a pleasure having you here.
My pleasure.